Hey, go and ride with me, get high with me. You looking fly with me, go and ride with me. Just vibe with me, get high with me. The best in the sky with me, go and ride with me, get high with me, get high with me. We just having fun, man.
Hello YouTube. This is my bike and my bike check. So yeah, I have a stolen cherry frame that I ordered from Dancecom. I have 2 revolver rims laced to a regular, well, a stock hub. Mine have a sealed front hub with a stolen Tioga tire. And I have stolen Vortex forks with tampered legs. Then I have integrated headset, stolen convict stem that is steady. Well, almost steady. But I have a stolen convict stem with stolen cell bars, stolen money grips, and stolen Vortex bar rings. I have a stolen Thermalite pivotal seat and seat post, and a stolen choker's seat clamp. I have stolen Thermalite pedals with stolen mob cranks, sealed KMC chain. I have a G-Sport peg, 2 G-Sport pegs. In the back, I have an animal tire, ASM tire, with a stolen revolver ring laced to a semi-sealed hub. Look at all this money, ain't that some shit? We gon' take over the world while these haters getting mad. That's why all my bitches